Assalamu alaikum. Through my speech, I would let you know all about the value of education and its contributions in our lives. Education is the tool which removes all the difference among us and makes us capable to go ahead together. It makes our challenging parts of the life very easy to lead. Getting quality education is like yoga and meditation, as it requires concentration, patience and dedication. Without education, there is no difference between human being and animal. Getting education is not only means to get a good job, it's means to make a good personality, to be healthy and fit, to maintain hygiene, to be happy all the time, to behave well to others, and to tackle all the challenges of life and so many. Education is most important to all of us to lead a happy life. Earlier, the education system in Pakistan was so poor and undisciplined that the kids of poor people were not allowed to study in the same schools or colleges. Poor people were forced to do labor in the fields only, which was the main reason of discrimination among people and society, inequality, and lots of social issues because of the lack of good education. Low level of education for the poor people made them vulnerable to the economic and political exploitation in their own country. There has been made adequate provision for the poor people in order to remove inequality and ensure the empowerment and participation of peoples of all levels equally. The right for proper education is the birthright of everyone. Restricting one from getting proper education is the crime. Education helps us to understand between good or bad, right or wrong, and helps us in taking a decision in the favor of right ones. It is like a magic which helps us to learn all the magic to stay happily on this planet. It keeps us free of all doubts, superstitions, as well as removes away all the social evils affecting the society. Better educated people can safeguard their family and nation in more secure and easy way. Education is not only means to read, write and learn. It is the way to live positively and live life happily. It benefits everyone related to the person, such as personal, family, neighbor, society, community, and country. Thank you.